Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in the Treasure Valley. Hey, I've got a quick tip for you. So we get asked often, when is it time to refinish my hardwood flooring? So there's kind of an easy test that you can do, and so I'm going to show you with some water a good time to know when to refinish it. Obviously, if you have scratches or dents or dings and you don't like them, you can definitely take care of that right away. But as far as the finish itself goes, I've got some samples here. So these are raw, so this is going to definitely be an extreme example, but you'll still be able to get the point. These have finish on them. So basically, if you just take some water and you put a little bit on, like that, if the finish is still good and doing a good job, it'll just bead up on top of the wood, right? And so then you can just dump it right off, right? And it's still good, obviously. But if, in this case, if the finish is getting light or it's not that, it's time to refinish it. There you go, tongue twister. If you dump the water on, what happens is that it will start to absorb right away, okay? So it won't beat up. So if you wait just a little bit, see how it already went into the wood here and it's not, you can't dump it off? So if your finish is getting light and needs to be refinished, it'll start to absorb right away, okay? And you can kind of tell on a floor, it'll look like it's kind of dull. A good example is like in front of a outside window area or like a slider door where it gets a lot of sun. That's going to need to be refinished more often. I might actually do a follow-up video on that to show you an example of that. But see how the water is pretty much absorbed into the wood already and it's there. So in the case of, this is obviously an extreme case, but if you had finish on it and it starts to absorb quickly, you kind of know it's time. So that's just kind of a quick tip for you. I hope that helps. If you have any questions or want us to come take a look at your hardwood floor, we're more than happy. Just give us a call or give us a shout out. Thanks so much.